Okay guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we will go to Enchanted Kingdom and complete 2 challenges. My cousin said I will complete 2 games at the food area. When I complete the challenge in the food area, I will now end this video. I will end this video when I forgot survival mode. Okay. No, it. Also, sorry, I have bad English because I'm Filipino. And also, my nose is bleeding. Sa kaka-English, okay. This is the games. There's a slide, my favorite. Nah, bro. I need to slide, bro. Let's go. Wee. That's not fun. Let's try this one. Kill chicken for extra food. Okay. I guess I will press this button. Hey, yo, what the? Die. Hey, let's go. First game complete. Now wait, I need to fuel. Wait. Put 5 chickens and 1 wood. Okay. And fuel it. And wait till it's done. Okay. And I will explore for a while. Waiting for it's not done. It's done. Oh, finally it's done. Okay, let's go. Game challenge complete 1. Game 1 complete. Next this one. Or what? I don't know what it means, but okay. I need this. Okay, sorry guys, I have bad aim at this, bro. Okay, let's go. Okay, Inigo. Okay, Inigo, focus. Okay, focus. No, bro, I'm sorry. Nah, bro, I need to put this back, bro. I'm scared to go to kill again. Okay. Challenge 2 complete. Okay, bye, guys. Okay, bye.